You can steal my secret recipe in this video. Yes, feel free to steal my secret recipe in this video because I'm tired of my DMs being filled with my hair won't grow, my hair is stuck at same hair length, my hair is not thick, my hair is thin. I am tired of reading comments like that. 6. Bro, I can understand. I can understand the frustration of desiring strong, healthy, long hair because I have been there before. I have had the setbacks. Just what happened last year when I used Cantu. My hair of so many years of nurture, growth, flourishing was just messed up by just one particular product. It was a mess. I have had the frustration, I have had the impatience, I have had the annoyance. I believe it was preparing me to help you. I've helped thousands of women around the world take control of their hair. I have helped thousands of women grow their hair on bald spots, grow their hair thick, grow their hair long, grow their hair from stunted growth. I believe I would help you. I believe this video will help you. No hair texture of any type is excluded. No hair texture is excluded. No hair porosity is excluded, regardless of your genetics. Healthy hair grows irrespective of your genes, irrespective of your race. So if you want your hair to grow as thick as mine, if you want your hair to start growing thick, long, and healthy, today's video is for you. I want you to watch this video and take note. Take note of the ingredients used on today's video. It is a very simple recipe. Anyone can do it. Anyone can make this product, provided you have all the ingredients complete. Ayurvedic ingredients are the real deal. People out there won't let you know this. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I'm just going to be making use of 3 ingredients, 3 simple ingredients you can find around you. For the first ingredient, first of all, grab your blender because you're going to be blending. Grab your fenugreek seeds, that's our first ingredient. If you have the powder, feel free to use it because some of you would always ask, Dima, can I use the seeds like that? Can I do this? If you have the powder, feel free to use it. But if you have the seeds, please grind it. And another potent ingredient that I'm going to be using for this recipe is rosemary leaves. Whether you have the fresh one or the dry one, whichever you have, blend it. So we are going to be blending our rosemary leaves. Next is amla. Because it's the powder, I'm not going to be blending this. I'm just going to add it just so as we are blending the other two, this one is going to mix up with the other two. So afterwards, grab a clean jar like so. Transfer your blended ingredients in it. Please take note of the oils that I'm going to use for this video. So the first oil that I'm going to be using is olive oil. Because I'm running out, I'm going to be using, regardless, the quantity that I have in the bottle, and I'm going to top it up with my second oil. So that wasn't enough. I just had to pour that. It's not up to 1 cup. So for the next oil, I used sunflower oil. So these 2 oils, you can either use olive oil or use sunflower oil, either of the 2 oils. So set up a DIY double boiler method and then place the jar containing all the ingredients in it and then allow this to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Please stand by this. Do not go anywhere. So after 15 to 20 minutes, turn off your stove and then bring this down. So I was just using this stuff that I got from Temu. Allow that to cool down completely before you strain. For the straining, use a bowl and a strainer. So this is what my bowl looks like, and that's my strainer. I'll go ahead and strain the oil and discard the chaff and then collect the filtrate. We're going to discard the residue and collect the filtrate. Now to my applicator bottle, I'm going to transfer my filtrate in it, and then it's ready for use. You can use this oil for so many things. Please do not use it on babies younger than 2 years of age. So I'm going to be concentrating this oil on my scalp and problem areas. That's if I have, because I think my hair has grown back after my hair mishap. For the application, you can use this on your scalp, you can use it on your hair shaft, you can also use it on your hair tips. You can add this to your deep conditioners, your shampoos, whatever you use to care for your hair, any product you have you use to care for your hair, you can apply this to it and then use it for better results. You can use it as hot oil treatment, you can use it as pre-poo. Yeah, anywhere you're balding, focus this oil on that area. Did you know that amla stimulates hair growth and improves the quality of your hair? It contains calcium, promotes healthier hair, helps strengthen hair follicles and reduce hair thinning. It is antifungal and anti-inflammatory. It has antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. It prevents dandruff and improves scalp health. Rosemary repairs damaged hair follicles. It helps regrow hair, stimulates blood flow to the scalp. Fenugreek stimulates blood flow to the scalp. It nourishes the hair follicles and encourages faster, healthier hair growth. While its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help treat dandruff, scalp irritation. Also, it strengthens the hair due to its mineral and protein content, resulting in less hair shedding and hair loss. If you have all these benefits in this oil, tell me why your hair will not thrive. Tell me why your hair will not grow. Forget about genetics. You guys are always quick to judge. Genetics, genetics, genetics. With genetics or not, whether genetics or not, your hair is going to grow. Genetics will not determine your hair retention, your length retention. Genetics cannot determine that. So this oil is packed with loads of benefits, and if you're consistent with it, your hair is going to thank you later. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next one shortly. Bye. Mwah.